All right, so here are 10 gift ideas for the car lover or automotive enthusiast in your family. With the holiday season and Christmas quickly approaching, these gift ideas are sure to impress that special someone in your family that just happens to love automobiles and cars. Now, none of these gift ideas or products are tacky accessories for that person's car. Leave that to the owner of the vehicle or that car lover to go out and ruin their own car with ugly car mats and whatever else. We've all seen them. These are actually great gift ideas, and you're going to look like you did a lot of research in choosing these. So let's check them out here. Now, all of these products range from $10 to $200, and they're in no particular order. Most of them are in Canadian dollars, so if you are in the US, you can knock 30% off or whatever else. So the first product here is the Gooloo GT4000S. This is a jump starter battery pack. You can boost dead batteries and whatnot. It also doubles as a USB-C and A charger, so you can charge your phones and devices and whatnot. And you can charge this pack directly from the USB or the cigarette lighter 12 volt in your car. Awesome product. You can get also similar ones on here that aren't at this level for less than $100. So there's options on here. But again, this is a pretty good one. I did my research on it, and I actually just bought one of these before I recorded this video. Okay, number 2, next on the list is a foam cannon. Now, don't just get any foam cannon. You have to get a good name brand. MJJC makes great foam cannons. Get this for the auto enthusiast. They'll know you did your homework, and it is a great product here. This is the foam cannon version 3.0. I have the 2.0. Again, great product. It makes nice, thick foam. And if you have a pressure washer, or if you're a special someone has a pressure washer, this is a great product for them if they don't already have one. This is at $131 Canadian. And again, you will look like you did your research and came out on top when they see this wrapped up underneath the Christmas tree or whatever it is you celebrate. Number 3, sticking to the automotive detailing side of things, this is an obsessed exterior car bucket kit. I originally had thought maybe the bucket is a good idea with the screen in the bottom so the dirt doesn't get in it. But this is a kit, so you'll get some nice detailing supplies. If that special someone doesn't have these kind of supplies, again, this is a professional level, or these are professional level products here. $200 Canadian, just over $200 Canadian, so 150 or so US, and they put together a nice kit. There are other kits out there you can look for, but again, make sure it's a good name brand and do a little research. But I like this one. They also do have ones for $100 and whatnot, but I found that you're more paying for an expensive bucket at that point. Number 4, this is more of a stocking stuffer, $15, probably $10 in the States. These are from the Rag Company. These are waffle weave towels. Now, again, you're going to look like that person who did their homework. I've used these. I use them for cleaning windows. They have a waffle weave in them. I've never used anything as good for cleaning the windows in my car. Fantastic. Throw them in the stocking, small gift, whatever the case may be. 3-pack. I can't say that I would ever go back to anything else. Microfibers are great for cleaning general, the general interior and stuff on the exterior, but waffle weave for windows, you can't beat them. And again, it looks like you did some research on this one too. All right, next up, number 5, a Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. I actually have this one. I've had it for years. It works great. $119, so well under probably 79 or something US there. And this, yeah, it's a good OBD scanner. You can scan the codes if an engine light comes on, and it's just good to have. If that special someone doesn't have an OBD2 scanner, get them this one, and they'll be super happy with it. All right, I said we wouldn't go with any tacky accessories, but for $10, we need some stocking stuffers here. This is the only one on the list. I thought these things were pretty cool. You know, even if you use them for a couple of weeks or a month or something and throw them away, it's still cool. A little gear shifter hoodie. I've never seen these before until I started looking around for ideas for myself. And yeah, look at these things. So $10, and there's so many different kinds and colors on there. They're pretty cool, and it's a good talking point if someone's in your car. So yeah, a little tacky there, but $10, not bad. Okay, next up, a Slime flat tire puncture repair kit. So BMWs would have something similar to these in their trunk because they don't have spare tires. Even if you do have a spare tire, it's nice to just fix that flat on the side of the highway in a few minutes. This one says 6 minutes, and get on your way and get the tire fixed later. Nobody really wants to be changing a spare tire on the side of a highway. So yeah, this is a great thing. Throw it in the trunk or throw it underneath with the spare tire. And yeah, it's a good name brand here. Slime is one of the well-known companies when it comes to this stuff. This seals the hole in your tire and gets you, of course, to a safe spot. So yeah, great idea here, and they can just throw that in their trunk and forget about it. All right, number 8, sticking with the tire repair thing. This is a Rhino USA tire repair kit. A lot of off-roaders, overlanders use these or keep them in their trucks. But again, just having this sitting around in the garage, if you need to plug a tire, it's great. I plug tires all the time. They say it's not a permanent fix, but as long as you're not driving 200 kilometers or 150 miles an hour or something, you'll be fine. And this one is, again, another well-known name brand here. Your special someone's going to say, hey, you know, they care about me. They did the research and they got me something decent here. $58. So yeah, really nothing to think about there. That's like $39 US or something. So nice, affordable gift for somebody there. All right, number 9 here. I have 2 of these. NOCO Genius. It's a trickle charger for a car or a battery maintainer. It maintains your battery if you don't drive a car all the time. So if you have that special someone that has a collector car or a car that they don't drive often or a motorcycle, whatever the case may be, throw this on there and it can keep it trickle charged. Even ATVs, motorcycles, whatever the case may be, throw this on there. And again, look, $69. It's like, what, $50 or so US, and you have a good quality trickle charger here and battery maintainer. All right, last on the list here. You probably need to know their shoe size, but some driving shoes. I don't even have these. I want them. I just haven't put out the money yet. But Piloti seems to be the name brand to get. There are other ones, but they do make pretty nice designs here, starting at $185. These ones are $200. That one's on sales there for $185. But yeah, $200 and up, you get yourself or them a nice pair of driving shoes. So yeah, it's a great option there, and they'll be super happy with those. So those are my picks for gift ideas for that special automotive enthusiast or car lover in your family. Let me know in the comments if there's anything that you would recommend to give that special somebody that's not a tacky accessory like that hoodie I showed you. Anyway, that's it for this time, and I'll see you in the next one.